Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unzip zip files on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. So if you have downloaded a zip packed file, then what you can do is pretty much tap on it in order to immediately unpack it, and you will get the whole content unpacked, unzipped, and as you can see I have everything that I had in my zip file. The other way to actually check what is inside before you decide to actually press on it, you can press and hold your finger on the zip file, and then you can go and press quick look, and then you can press preview content. Then you can swipe to the right in order to find all these files that are there. Once you see all of these files, then you have this icon at the top on the first item that allows you to preview all these images. And by doing so, of course, you can make sure that you know what you are unpacking before you actually do that. So I think that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!